Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce another exciting course. This course is ideal for filmmakers, video editors, content creators, and anyone looking to elevate their editing and color grading skills using DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this course provides the tools, techniques, and knowledge you need to create impactful videos. With around 19,000 students and a rating of 4.3, this course has proven to be both popular and practical. The current price is approximately €20. Once you purchase the course, you'll have lifetime access and receive all future updates. The total duration of the course is 4.5 hours. You'll also receive a certificate upon completion. Here's what you'll learn in this course: DaVinci Resolve Fundamentals, navigate the interface, understand project management, and master essential editing techniques like cutting, trimming and transition. Advanced editing workflows, explore multicam editing, audio mixing, and color correction tools to create polished and professional videos. The art of color grading, dive deep into color theory, learn to use primary and secondary corrections, and create captivating color palettes to enhance the mood. And more. Now I'd like to share this valuable course with you for free and completely legally. To find out how this works, subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Now, simply open your browser and search for discountedcourseninja.com on Google. In the search results, click on the relevant link. Make sure the website address matches what you see here and you are being directed to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking the link, you'll land on the main page. On this site, you can access various discount coupons for online courses. Use the search bar to find the course you're looking for. You can also browse categories to discover other topics of interest. Once you locate the course, scroll down and click the Get the Coupon button. The course will then be offered to you for free. Note that the coupon has a limited validity period. So, with just a few clicks, you'll gain legal and free access to this course. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.